Reagan, what do you have?
It's like August.
You are.
I might just be imagining things, Mom.
Okay, it is a pretty sunny day today. We've got pretty nice weather in the forecast the next few days, so it's moving day. We're gonna get the rabbits out of the greenhouse. Too much heat will kill them. Excuse me. So we need to get them out of there. It's only gonna be like 55 today. I think it's gonna be 60 in the next couple of days.
But with their coats, it's extra hot.
Yeah, inside the greenhouse it's gonna get quite a bit hotter than that. And then rabbits, yeah, with their thick coats, they don't tolerate it well. So we've got the baby bunnies in their nest box. We're just gonna set them somewhere safe. We didn't want to leave them in with the mom because while we're moving the rabbits, she might kind of panic a little bit. So we just took them out to keep them safe until we get them moved to where we're putting them. We'll put them inside All right, we've got our rabbits into their summer homes now, outside of the greenhouse. The reason we like them in close proximity to the greenhouse and to the garden is it just makes sense for moving the manure straight out into the garden. It's kind of a permaculture type principle where everything flows together and supports the system. So we like having the rabbits close by. Harrison and Reagan are up to something. I'm gonna go try to track them down and see what they're doing. What are you doing, Harrison? You gonna show me? Alright, what are you building?
A fort.
A fort?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you gonna show me what it is?
I made it with wood in a front yard.
You've been stealing my wood?
Yeah, and this is the only flat one that I can basically find. And I use it right here for, we don't want any water if it's like a rainy day and we don't have it, like, we don't have a house, and we had to make it where no water gets in our house.
Okay. Looks like fun.
That is.
Anything else you want to tell me about it?
Not bad.
Okay.